Hello everyone, let's look at steps to use the Windows Security app to check whether your PC needs to update the secure boot certificates. As you probably already know, starting on June 24th and 27th, the first security boot certificates are set to expire. And while Microsoft continues its efforts to update every compatible computer automatically through Windows Update, a lot of users are concerned about whether their computers have already been updated. So here's a quick way to check. Before proceeding, remember that you can always check the link in the description to get access to the different comprehensive guides that I have created to help you navigate the Secure Boot Certificates expirations in 2026. So first, let's go into open the Security app through the Start menu. And then you need to go to Device Security, and in here you need to check the message and the icon for Secure Boot. So on my computer, the message reads Secure Boot is on and all required certificate updates are being applied. No further certificate changes are needed. So if you see this message, you don't need to worry because you already have the latest certificate updates and your computer is ready to go. Now, if you see a yellow icon with a message that reads Secure Boot is on, but your device does not support the automated Secure Boot certificate update due to hardware or firmware limitations, then it indicates that the update is pending or there is limited compatibility on this particular device. And finally, you might also encounter a red icon with a message that reads Secure Boot is on, but this device can no longer receive required updates for the Windows boot experience. This indicates that the system cannot apply the required updates and needs intervention. While doing research for these messages, I also noticed Windows Security can display additional messages, but with a slightly different warning depending on the stage of the rollout of the updated Secure Boot certificates. For example, you might see a green icon, however, the message will read Secure Boot is on, but your device is using an older boot trust configuration that should be updated to remain serviceable. This message usually means that your computer still needs the newer Secure Boot certificates, but the system has already classified the device for the update rollout. The action in this situation, the update might already be downloaded or scheduled to install automatically through Windows Update. Typically, keeping the system updated and installing the latest firmware updates is enough. Now, there is a third message that also includes a green icon, and in this case it reads Secure Boot is on, but your device is using an older boot trust configuration that should be updated. This is not yet enough data to classify your device for automatic updates. In other words, the system is still waiting for Microsoft's back-end systems to determine whether your computer is ready for the updated certificates. This doesn't mean necessarily that your PC is incompatible. It usually means that Microsoft is still gathering telemetry and validation data. Your firmware version may not yet be approved, or the rollout may still yet reach your hardware model. If your computer is showing one of these Secure Boot messages, the best recommendation is to make sure that your computer is up to date, as the Windows Update mechanism is the one responsible for making the update. So to make sure that your computer is up to date, just go to the Settings app, and then from Windows Update, just click the Check for Updates button and let the computer download and install the latest updates. It is also recommended to install optional updates because some firmware and driver updates are available separately from monthly security updates. And to do that, just go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and from here, just make sure to download and install all the available updates as necessary. Microsoft also says that some Secure Boot certificate deployment methods use diagnostic data to help validate the hardware and firmware compatibility before automatically rolling out the update to devices. So it is important to go to Present Security and then on Diagnostic and Feedback to make sure that the same additional diagnostic data is turned on, at least until the computer receives the new certificates for Secure Boot. In some rare cases, you might need to update your system firmware before the computer is able to update the Secure Boot certificates. If this is the case, you will need to check your device manufacturer support website to download the update and to get the specific steps to apply the UEFI update, since this process can be different per manufacturer and per device. And finally, it is important to note that the Secure Boot certification expiring doesn't mean that your computer will stop booting. This is by far the biggest misconception surrounding the Secure Boot certificate's transition. When the 2011 Secure Boot certificate expires, your computer won't suddenly refuse to start. The device will continue to boot normally. The expiration mainly affects how system process future cross updates, revocation list, and newer boot components. So do you actually need to update the certificates manually? For most users, no. Microsoft designed a process to update all compatible computers automatically through Windows Update. As long as your device is supported and receiving update, the operating system should handle the deployment in the background. In most cases, there is no need to modify the firmware settings or manually installing the certificates, just to be clear. And that's it. For additional information, make sure to check the links in the description. Now that you know the steps to check the Secure Boot certificates on your computer, let me know if your computer still needs update or the new certificates are already installed. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.